quick. Today's Thursday, so we have EIA numbers for natural gas. Natural gas, a little weaker setup than in the oil department right now. If you look at the market profile here are the lows. These are an annual distribution here. This 2015, 2016. Here we are. Put on my little floor jacket thing, dust off my book from Sunday night, and this is just close enough that you want to press it. We have rollover. You know, anything that comes down this way, I want to look to get as further out in the deferred contracts, because I'm really aiming for 2018 and 2019, but you need to have people selling that stuff. Some of this stuff doesn't get traded. Some of these futures will go out to like 2030. Gold, things of that nature. So you can go out that far, put it in, and walk away, and then just come back. But you have to kind of actively manage this kind of thing. Like I said, the only reason why I'm looking at natural gas is because it can only go to zero. And when I start hearing things like 17-year low, 20-year low, 30-year low, it piques my attention. Or my interest too. And so attention is, yes, that is action. That is an action word. So, okay, so here is natural gas. Right now there's like a little inverted head and shoulders going on here. Basically set your alarms up in here. This is what, 82, 83, 84. Just set some alarms there if you get a reversal. Typically, when you measure this, and head and shoulders are measuring patterns. So this is 76. The low, of course, is 168. So it's a dime under here. Okay, so I'm playing this pattern right now as we're going to see new lows. Of course, I've been doing that since Sunday. So a guy who's bullish now shows up, and at 4 days later, he's still, brother, can you spare me a new low? I mean, but that would be the greed side of things, right? I don't want to pay a lot for this natural gas contract, or these contracts, I guess. All right, so when you measure it, this is 76, we'll say. This is 83. It's at 7 cents, so 7 above this would be 190, which it actually brings us up to here. So if you measure this inverted head and shoulders, shoulder, head, we'll say the shoulder, and comes up. She, he, or it, natural gas, der, die, and das, that's what it would be aiming for. Okay, so this is natural gas. Now roll on over to oil real quick here too, because of I posted a chart on Twits today about an inverted head and shoulders. Okay, on the daily on. Still have it, Kev? Come on, you push the button. Alright, so spot commodities. Okay. Oh, I did notice a reversal here. This is on a daily. Take a look here. Oil. All right, so on a daily, okay, first thing I see here is the unbalanced volume on the recent washout, okay, down to 26, going sideways down here, okay. I'm looking at this as a bull flag, okay, this is a shoulder, this is the head at 26, and then if there's any type of pullback, today so far, the low, roughly like 31 and a half. Okay, so which is a little bit above pivot here. Okay, so this is above daily pivot, so you want to lean on the long side. So if we do the measuring pattern again with natural gas, or with oil here, 26 to say 34, what's that, $8, and then $8 onto 34 is about 42. I think I said 43. So oil clearing about, we'll say 34, 35 here. We'll set it a rise to up to 42. Okay, and then a couple of seconds left on the crude oil here. Basically, this is it. These are the marks here and targets, and we're shooting for 43 to 47.